Buongiorno YouTube, it's Trevor here, Summit or Nothing, out today for a nice stroll around Cheddar Gorge, an impressive natural gorge in Somerset. Cheddar Gorge, the largest in Britain, almost 400 foot deep and 3 miles long, began forming about 1 million years ago. Between ice ages meltwater, scree and boulders caused the Cheddar River to carve out the rock, deepening the gorge over time. So it's a quaint little town, sort of built in this gorge, windy little road, beautiful little cottages. Unfortunately, there's a couple of caves to look in and a museum, but it's all shut due to COVID, so it still hasn't reopened. It's a shame. We're going up Jacob's Ladder, up to the top, and then we're going to do a cliff walk all the way around. This should get me flights of stairs up on my new smartwatch. Just got to keep going. Yowzers. The south side of the gorge has been owned by the Longleat estate and the Thine family since 1558. Cheddar Gorge and Caves is run today by Longleat Enterprises, but in the 19th and early 20th centuries, entrepreneurial tenants took advantage of the scenic landscape, adding excited diversions to invite tourists. The coming of the Great Western Railway in 1869 swiftly increased Cheddar's popularity as a tourist destination. Introduced was a number of attractions including Pavy's Cave, Jacob's Ladder, the White Tower and Joyland. So that was 274 steps up. Look, there's the tower, you can go up there to get vantage. Just not today, everything's shut. It's a shame. Well, I've reached my daily flight of stairs challenge on my watch. I've also set it going, so it's recording my route. You might have seen my post the other day where I was contemplating getting one. Well, I've gone for one. And I went for the solar in the end. I don't have to charge it so much. Yeah, so far so good. Now we're going to take this walk up over the top of the Cheddar Gorge, see some stunning views. Exciting. And we're still going up. It's like a little mini mountain, this. These views are stunning. Oh, some gorge, isn't it? Gorgeous, you could say. Gorgeous. Sense of scale when you zoom into people up on the cliffs, just how high we are, how deep that is. interesting little outcrops you can go and stand on. Every time you look over, it just blows your mind again. See how far down that road is, that winding road. So no wonder it's so popular with cyclists. So we're off the cliff for the minute, coming back in through this little woodland. It's a beautiful walk. It's a bit calmer in here, not quite so much wind. It's not a very long walk, I think it's only about 4 miles, but it's just nice to do something different. And I was going to go back on Dartmoor, but I feel like I'm doing Dartmoor to death at the moment. So, an hour and a half drive, and I could be here, exploring somewhere new. Probably going down now, hopefully not too far, and I'm hoping that I haven't took the wrong path and I'm not going to end up down at the bottom and not be able to get back up the other side. So that's what I was hoping. I'd do a circular walk around the whole gorge, but I'm just following a path, there's not really any signs, so surely I can't go wrong, can I? Not me. Well, hopefully it's this way. I think it is. I've had a look on View Ranger and it seems that we can go up here and then in a minute turn back on ourselves and we're up on the cliffs. And so again starts the climb. But I just wanted to take this time to discuss with you my shoes. I'm wearing the Columbia Conspiracy V. There's something else I can't remember. I've had them for over 2 years now, well over 2 years. I think it's about 2.5 years, and I must say I still love them. I've worn them on endless miles of the coast path. I've worn them across Dartmoor, I've worn them up mountains, I wear them to take the kids to school, I wear them on family days out. They're my favourite shoe I've ever had. They're comfy, they're so lightweight. I remember when the box arrived, when I first reviewed them, I didn't think there was anything in the box. They were that light. But yeah, these Conspiracies, they're getting a bit threadbare. The soles are getting a bit bare. And they're possibly not as waterproof as they was, but I wouldn't choose another shoe. I'm going to buy some more. Oh, broken up to the top now. Look at this. Where we was earlier, over there. Oh, that climb, the smartwatch, I tell you, I was watching my heart rate going up. It's coming up there, it's in the red. I don't know what's safe and what's recommended, you know. The first day I had it, I put it on in and around the house doing some more jobs and editing a wedding and playing with the kids. And my stress levels was in the red. all day. It gives me a heart attack just looking at it. It stresses me out. Well, we don't seem to get as close to the gorge itself from this side of the walk. I think I've nearly cleared the whole distance again. Maybe we get one view back here, I don't know, but yeah, the second half has just been a stomp on, really. Nothing to stop looking at, just this constant view across there. Here we go now. Gorgeous. So that was Cheddar Gorge. Did get the view back along there at the end, which was probably the best view of the day of the whole gorge. Gorgeous. Coming down now. Me and Nath will be going up to some mountains soon, so you got that to look out for. Plus, special wild camp video coming up. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It's another struggling for nothing, but we'll see. Oh, it's quite a rugged little climb down there. It reminded me of the day we was hiking out in Romania, actually. The mountain pass there on the second day. That reminded me of, very much indeed. So, thanks ever so much for joining us. Anyway, see you all soon. Cheers.